In this video, I'm going to share with you my recent 7-day Etsy test that resulted in $1,293, again, in 7 days. Now, let me just say, I wanted to test this without using any Etsy ads, any outside ads. I didn't want to use my email list, and I didn't want to use social media. I strictly just wanted this to be a test that was done on Etsy without any other traffic sources other than doing this one thing. And this thing you can do. You can do it like right now. And I would advise you to try this as soon as you get done watching this, because it's not hard. And if you have any products at all, even just one product, you can do what I'm about to share with you. So now, before I share what I did, I need you to promise me something, that you're going to continue to watch this video, because there are some things that you need to understand about what I'm about to share with you. Because you might say, well, Scott, that's so obvious. And yeah, it's so easy. Tell me something I don't know. The thing is, you need to understand how to use what I'm about to share with you. What I'm talking about is having a 7-day sale. Yeah, just start a sale and run it. Before you go running off, let me explain why it is so powerful and how you can leverage having a sale. Now, I wanted to test it once again, like I said, with nothing else happening other than going in and setting up the sale. Now, there's 3 things that happen when you have a sale. 3 things. I'm going to cover those. The third one, I don't hear a lot of people talking about, and it is extremely powerful. And it's the exact reason why I wanted to test this, and I wanted to limit it to only 7 days. I see a lot of people having sales for a month, and that's actually probably hurting your sales. So let's dig in. So the first thing I did was I went in here and I hit run a sale. I selected 10% off. That's all that it was, by the way. I said that it can be valid everywhere. And then I selected 7 days. So let's just say I was going to do it again right now. I would say the 13th, and then I would go until the 19th. And then I just went down here and named it. In this case, let's just say I'm going to name it abbreviated November sale test. And that's it. And then I would go to continue. Then I'm just going to add the category or the items, and I'm going to click review and confirm. And that is it. My sale is up and running. And once again, I didn't want to drive any external traffic, so I wanted to just set up the sale and then let it run. Now, why did it work so well? Let's go through what happens when you first create a sale, and then what happens when the sale is coming to an end. So the very first thing that happens when you start a sale is anyone that has favorited your shop will get a notification that you just started a sale. Now, the other thing that will happen is anyone that has favorited that item, they will also get a notification from Etsy in their account that something has went on sale. And then the other thing that happens is if someone had put it in their cart, they will automatically get a notification that something went on sale. You see, when we are building a brand, that's what we recommend that you do, and that's what we're doing, then you have all of these other chances for people to get notified when you do something like as simple as having a sale. So that's the first thing that happens. You create that sale, and then automatically Etsy goes to work pushing that out. So that's all that I did. Now, the other thing that is happening is your product now is listed as a sale, and there are areas on Etsy that will be showing sales, or people can search in certain areas for Etsy sales. So you have now an opportunity to show up there. So once again, I did nothing, just started the sale, and then I kind of let it run its course. Now, the third thing that happens, and this one's big, a lot of people don't talk about this, and this is why I wanted to do it only for 7 days, for a short window of time. Number one, we benefit from that thing kicking off, right? The very first couple of days, people are getting notified. So that's great. But the last day or the last 24 hours, you're also going to be showing up as the sale is coming to an end. So you're going to see it inside of your shop. So when you're in there and you see a listing, it will show that it's going to be ending soon. So now you can see why having that sale in a 7-day window on why it works really well in the beginning, and it works really well at the end, and it works really well in the middle, because you're covering all of those different aspects of having a sale for a 7-day window. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be rotating our sales. So this way here, we always have a new one starting and always have one ending. One starts, one ends. One starts, one ends. So after 7 days running this sale and not driving any external traffic, being able to generate over $1,200 in sales, I'm going to do it again and probably again and again and again. Now, I hope you can see it's not hard, not complicated, but it's definitely worth testing. So I would encourage you to do the same. Now, listen, if you've enjoyed this video, if you've gotten value, go ahead and smash the like button. Also, leave a comment down below. Let me know, have you run any of your own sales? Is this something you're going to try? Let me know in the comments. And listen, if you did enjoy this video, I'm going to go ahead and put another video right here that I think you're really going to enjoy, because this was another experiment, another test that my wife and I did where we launched 30 products in 30 days, and the results are pretty awesome. So check it out. I'll leave it right here. So that's going to wrap up this video. I really enjoyed making it for you. I hope you got a ton of value. I hope you use it, and I'll see you in the next video.